Rise to the occasion with the perfect loaf. Bread making has never been easier or more rewarding with the latest bread makers on the market. From crusty baguettes to hearty whole grain loaves, these top 7 bread makers are sure to impress even the most discerning palates. Get ready to knead. For more information, like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. And let's get started. Number 7. Amazon Basics Bread Making Machine. Make freshly baked bread at home with ease and convenience with the Amazon Basics Bread Making Machine. This compact and user-friendly appliance allows you to create a variety of delicious breads, from classic white to crusty baguettes and more. With its intuitive interface, simply add ingredients, select the desired setting, and let the machine do the work. The automatic yeast activation and precise temperature control ensure that your bread is perfectly baked every time. The machine features 12 pre-programmed settings for different types of bread, including French, Italian, and whole wheat. You can also customize your own recipes using the machine's manual setting. The Amazon Basics Bread Making Machine is easy to clean and maintain, with dishwasher-safe parts and a removable kneading paddle. Its compact design makes it perfect for small kitchens or countertops. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced baker, this machine is perfect for anyone looking to make homemade bread with ease and convenience. With its affordable price and reliable performance, the Amazon Basics Bread Making Machine is a great addition to any kitchen. Number 6. Quinnart Compact Automatic Bread Maker. Make delicious homemade bread with ease and convenience using the Quinnart Compact Automatic Bread Maker. This compact and user-friendly appliance is perfect for small kitchens or apartments, yet still produces a 2-pound loaf of freshly baked bread. With its advanced features, you can customize your bread to your liking. Choose from 12 pre-programmed settings, including basic, French, Italian, and gluten-free options. You can also select from 3 crust colors and adjust the delay start timer to fit your schedule. The Quinnart Compact Automatic Bread Maker features a compact design that fits easily on any countertop. The transparent viewing window allows you to monitor the bread making process, and the removable paddle and kneading blade make cleaning a breeze. This versatile bread maker can also produce a variety of other baked goods, such as pizza dough, bagels, and croissants. With its compact size and ease of use, the Quinnart Compact Automatic Bread Maker is the perfect addition to any kitchen. Number 5. Zojirushi Home Bakery Mini Bread Maker. Introducing the Zojirushi Home Bakery Mini Bread Maker, compact and versatile kitchen appliance that allows you to create a wide range of delicious breads and pastries at home. With its compact size and sleek design, this mini bread maker is perfect for small kitchens or apartments, yet it packs a big punch when it comes to baking capabilities. This mini bread maker features a 1-pound loaf capacity, allowing you to make a variety of breads, from crusty baguettes to soft and fluffy sandwich loaves. The machine comes with 12 pre-programmed settings, including basic, French, Italian, and sweet bread settings, making it easy to create your favorite breads with minimal effort. The Zojirushi Home Bakery Mini also features a delay start timer, allowing you to schedule your baking in advance, and a keep warm function that keeps your freshly baked bread warm for up to 3 hours. With its easy-to-use interface and compact design, the Zojirushi Home Bakery Mini is the perfect addition to any kitchen. Whether you're a beginner baker or a seasoned pro, this mini bread maker is sure to delight with its ability to produce high-quality breads and pastries with ease. Number 4. Breville Custom Loaf Maker. Take your bread making to the next level with the Breville Custom Loaf Maker, a versatile and innovative kitchen appliance that allows you to create a wide range of artisanal breads with ease. With its customizable settings and advanced features, this loaf maker lets you experiment with different crust colors, temperatures, and cooking times to achieve your perfect loaf. The Breville Custom Loaf Maker features a large 13x4 baking area, perfect for making large loaves, baguettes, or even smaller bread rolls. Its adjustable heat control and timer allow you to cook your bread to your desired level of crispiness, from lightly toasted to golden brown. The appliance also includes a keep warm function, ensuring your freshly baked bread stays warm and ready to serve for up to an hour. Whether you're a seasoned baker or a beginner, The Breville Custom Loaf Maker is the perfect tool for creating delicious homemade breads with ease and precision. With its sleek design and user-friendly interface, this appliance is sure to become a staple in any serious home kitchen. Number 3. Zojirushi Home Bakery Virtuoso Plus Bread. Introducing the Zojirushi Home Bakery Virtuoso Plus Bread, a revolutionary bread-making machine that combines advanced technology with traditional craftsmanship. With its sleek and compact design, this machine is perfect for home bakers and professionals alike. The Virtuoso Plus features a 14-setting delay timer, allowing you to program your bread-making schedule in advance. The machine also comes with a built-in yeast proofing system, which ensures that your dough is perfectly proofed before baking. The Zojirushi Home Bakery Virtuoso Plus Bread is capable of producing a wide variety of artisan-style breads, including crusty baguettes, hearty sourdoughs, and delicate Japanese-style breads. The machine's advanced features include a 3-hour automatic kneading cycle, a 2-hour automatic rising cycle, and a 1-hour automatic baking cycle. The result is a perfectly baked loaf with a crispy crust and a soft, chewy interior. The Virtuoso Plus also comes with a variety of additional features, including a large 1-pound capacity, automatic shutoff, and a stainless steel exterior that is easy to clean. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced bread maker, the Zojirushi Home Bakery Virtuoso Plus Bread is the perfect tool for creating delicious homemade bread. Number 2. KitchenAid Case Amone 150 pounds. The KitchenAid Case Amone 150 pounds is a high-performance stand mixer designed to make your home baking experience effortless and enjoyable. With its powerful 325-watt motor and 5-quart stainless steel bowl, this mixer can handle heavy mixing tasks with ease. The 10-speed control allows you to adjust the speed to suit your specific mixing needs, from gentle folding to intense whipping. This stand mixer features a robust construction with a durable stainless steel bowl, stainless steel beaters, and a durable wire whip. The mixer also includes a planetary mixing action that ensures thorough mixing of ingredients, ensuring your baked goods turn out light and fluffy. Additional features include a removable beaters and bowl for easy cleaning, a secure locking system for safe transport, and a cord storage feature for a clutter-free kitchen. The KitchenAid Case Amone 150 pounds is a must-have for serious home bakers, catering professionals, and anyone looking to elevate their baking experience. With its impressive performance, durability, and sleek design, this stand mixer is sure to become a trusted companion in your kitchen. Number 1. Gourmia GFFM997. Cooking just got a whole lot easier with the Gourmia GFFM997. A versatile multi-cooker that combines the functions of a slow cooker, pressure cooker, rice cooker, and yogurt maker all in one. This innovative appliance is perfect for busy home cooks who want to prepare healthy, delicious meals quickly and effortlessly. With the GFM 997, you can cook a wide variety of dishes, from tender slow-cooked stews and braises to perfectly cooked rice and quinoa. The pressure cooker function allows for rapid cooking times, while the yogurt maker lets you create your own homemade yogurt with ease. The large 6-quart capacity means you can cook for large families or groups, and the digital controls make it easy to set and monitor cooking times. Whether you're a busy professional, a new parent, or simply someone who loves to cook, the Gourmia GFN 997 is an essential addition to any kitchen. Its compact design and stainless steel construction make it easy to store and clean, making it a convenient and practical choice for anyone who values ease of use and versatility. So guys, that's all for Top 7 Bread Makers. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more videos. We will meet in next video. Till then, take care. Bye.